So we may have a problem. I guess I didn't know this, but we're going to a rodeo tonight. But I didn't get around really early this morning to get some stuff done. And there is a lot of stuff that needs to be done before we can go to a rodeo tonight. And my son may want to ride. We didn't get him called in. It's going to be kind of one of those things, see what happens, see if we can make it in time. And it's a problem, but we're going to do the best we can, get there. So what are we wanting to do tonight?
Hopefully go to a rodeo.
Well, we got stuff to do before we can, don't we?
Yeah.
What all we got to do? What's on our list?
Well, we had to get up. Then we had to get dressed. Then we had to get the baby dressed. And the kids dressed. Put makeup on. Gotta look good. To go eat breakfast. Feed. Fix barn fence. Feed the horses. Put out hay for the horses. And then hopefully go get ready to go to the rodeo.
I want to ride a mini bull, but I don't have a big enough helmet to fit my head. My head's too big, so I need to get a new helmet. We need to feed the horses right over there. Yeah, fix the gate for the hay. Yeah, we gotta get feed.
There's just a ton of other things we've got to do, but we're gonna push through and try to get them done and see where we end up. Okay, so I'm looking for some stuff to fix this gate and going through all my junk. I don't know if any of you guys do this. You live on a farm, you have a whole bunch of junk piles of treasures. Some people call them junk, but I can't find nothing. And recently we threw a bunch of stuff away because somebody keeps making me throw stuff away. So now we can't find anything that we can use to fix this gate. This sucks. It's your fault. So innocent.
Sorry.
You look sorry. Show you guys something. So the farm we're on, my grandpa, I guess you might say, homesteaded it. He went to Kansas City, worked, sent back money, bought this place, kept making money, building a house here, raised his family here. His family raised me. I'm raising my kids. Was his 4th generation on this farm. It's really special. And, you know, something so simple like that. Probably they done a yard sale. And you find something that's his handwriting. It's something so simple, but it means a lot, especially when you're on the same farm and you're trying to keep that tradition going. It does, it means a lot. I just want to share that. I was digging around that shed looking for something to fix on that gate with because I've thrown away all my junk. But this shed here is actually, this was the sawmill shed. This right here is where my grandfather's sawmill sat, and then when I was a boy, we built another sawmill there. So there's actually been 2 sawmills here, but that's kind of the history of this location. Just really neat stuff. Really proud to be a part of it. We dug around in one of my last junk piles I can think of. We may build a sawmill there again someday. I don't know. You know, maybe a Alaskan chainsaw mill or something, homestead a little bit. I don't know. That'd be really cool though. What are you guys doing?
Somebody walked us out of our car.
Hey, we're not in a rush or anything though, are we?
We
40.
Yeah, but
Rodeo is 40 minutes away.
I'm walking
And
down
it
the
starts at
store.
5.
as far as the video goes, though, all that work only took us a minute at tops.
You got so lucky.
So you didn't even check that door.
This was barely shut. I just checked it because it's barely
I saw you pulling on it. Look, that door over there open too.
How did the front one's locked then?
That ain't locked.
And the keys are in the center.
Oh my gosh, you got all upset and crazy. There wasn't the back. Why? I don't know why the front doors are locked and the back ones ain't, but whatever.
I'm not giving you the keys. You're the reason it got locked in the first place.
Kids are so easily entertained. I love it. So beautiful. Come on, let's go. Get in the car.
I am trying.
You're not trying hard enough.
I am too.
Okay, ready to go. So the sun is starting to fall. We ran a little short on time. The cool thing about rodeos, though, is
They're never on time either.
it don't matter if you have mud, cow crap, and those sorts of things on your boots or the bottom of your pants. You just look like you belong, I guess. So we didn't change or anything. We just got to go. We got to go now.
I changed.
We didn't have time to get Noah's stuff together to be able to ride. That could still happen, though. I've seen a lot crazier things happen. But we are going to get to go, and we're going to go pick up Amanda's sister, Kendra, and she's going to get to go with us, so that's exciting. So let's go. So we made it to the rodeo. We're too late for Noah to get to ride. We did get Amanda's sister, Kendra. Say hi.
Hi.
But we're going to try to have a good time anyhow, so we get to watch the rodeo.
Go Cowboys.
I'm a cowboy. That's what you meant, right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Go Cowboys.
Go Cowboy. Yeah.
Yeah, go Cowboy. There you go, attaboy. We left the rodeo. We had a good time. Me and the kids, we all ate, and I asked Amanda and Kendra, I said, you guys want anything? They didn't want anything. Well, now I know why. Because they wanted to go to...
Sonic!
Yeah. Tricksters.